This here is a mount for the Insta360 X3. Honestly, I think you can mount any camera on this thing, and this is actually meant for motorcycle or bicycle, but honestly you could pretty much stick this thing onto any poles or whatever and it'll work. So here's the mount. This is definitely a multi-purpose mount. It just says it right on the box, multi-function super clamp mount. So you can basically use this anywhere, honestly. So let's actually go through the box here. These are the different sides, and let's do the unboxing. So in the box we've got a foam with everything organized in there pretty nicely. This is a GoPro adapter with the screw on for GoPro, and then this is qualified certificate. So this basically goes through inspection and it's qualified. So you get a little thing about that, little card, and then we have the mount itself. Now this is actually a little bit heavier than I thought, which is a good thing because it just shows it's gonna be heavy duty. So this is kind of like the opening. Now I think my motorcycle is not gonna have like this much, so that's a good thing. I could definitely use this on the thickest poles of my motorcycle, and that's a really good thing. And then it just clamps down to very thin here, and I can also use this on my bike as well. And then we have this rotating thing where you can rotate it everywhere, and then it's like a ball mount on both ends, so you can basically use this thing and then like loosen it up a little bit and then adjust them. And then when you're satisfied with the position you want this to be in, you can just like tighten this up and lock it up. Now in the past I've had problem with this thing because I actually ended up seeing plastic ball mounts and they broke. And another thing is I actually had my mount that I use right now just break on me, and I was just tightening it, but I touched it and it was so brittle that it just came apart in a bunch of pieces. Like the plastic just degraded over time with sun and rain, and then it just fell apart just like that. So plus point on that. Even this part here is, I guess these are aluminum or metal. I'm not really sure what this material is, but it's not plastic, it's metal. So that's a good thing. Every part of this is metal. There's no plastic except for this thing. There's no plastic on this, not even this thing, I think. So there you go, plus point for all of that, honestly. Interesting thing is there's also this size of mount in here, so I'm guessing you could probably set something else up over there. That's pretty good. There's a screw in here. I think that's for another size of mount there, maybe for a microphone or whatever. So that's also really cool. It's bigger than 1/4 inch, so it's not this size. If this ever gives up, I lose it or I break it, I'll definitely update that in the description so you guys will know what happened to it. So definitely check that out, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.